Hi, love. If you're here, it probably means your heart has been feeling a little overwhelmed, or there's a part of you, a younger part, that gets scared, flooded, or shuts down. Maybe you have big reactions, or maybe you go quiet. Maybe you cry, snap, freeze, or disappear. Maybe you get overwhelmed and don't know why. Maybe you've wondered, how do I calm myself down without punishing myself or shaming myself for having feelings? Today, I'm going to show you a gentle, trauma-aware way to soothe the little one inside you so your body can calm, your heart can soften, and you can feel safe again. Let's begin. First, I want you to know this. When your inner child is overwhelmed, you are not too much. You're not being dramatic. And you're not weak. You're flooded. Your nervous system is overwhelmed. Your thinking brain goes offline, and your emotions become too big for your body to hold. This isn't misbehavior. It's distress. Punishment teaches fear, and shame only teaches silence. And your inner child, the part of you who still remembers that, will only calm when they feel safe. When you're upset or overwhelmed, the logical part of your brain, the part that explains, reasons, and understands, goes temporarily offline. This means you're not able to quickly process explanations. You can't think your way out of it. It means eloquent articulation is out the window and your ability to listen gets wonky. This is not unwillingness. It's human. So next time, instead of pressuring yourself with thoughts that echo your past with things like, stop it, calm down, what's wrong with you? We will attempt to regulate. We will attune with our heart. We will offer ourselves space that is safe to expand as much as we need, just as a safe adult would offer a child. So the next time you start to feel your emotions swell, I want you to try this. It's a method that will assist you in co-regulating with your inner child. It's a simple, gentle way to help the younger part of you calm down without punishment or shame in just 3 steps. The first, breathe. Before you try to fix the feeling, before you judge the reaction, take one slow, kind breath for yourself. Place your hand over your heart and visualize and whisper this inwardly. Softening, slow. I can hold this. Your inner child borrows your nervous system, and when you regulate, they feel it. This one breath sets everything in motion. The next step is connect, don't correct. Instead of saying, I shouldn't feel this way, why am I like this? What's wrong with me? Move toward yourself gently. Imagine the little one inside you the child you once were, sitting right in front of you, and say, I'm here. You're safe. Oh, I know this is big for you. I've got you. Your inner child calms through connection, not correction. Your tone matters more than your words. And step 3, offer some type of comfort from yourself to yourself. Nothing external or complicated. Some examples of things you can offer yourself could be like one grounding breath, or one hand on the heart or belly, or both. Maybe a slow exhale, gently rocking, or a comforting phrase like, let's breathe together, or your feelings make sense, or I'm not leaving you. We can calm down together slowly. You're teaching the younger you what you were never taught. Once your breath settles, once the tightness softens, this is the moment of healing. You can say inwardly, thank you for trying to protect me. I see why you were scared. I'm so proud of you for calming with me. This teaches and reinforces emotional safety, something you should have been shown long ago. You're not rewarding the reaction. You're honoring the courage to return to calm. And this is sacred. When you soothe the child inside you gently, you are reshaping your nervous system, your emotional literacy, your sense of safety, and your capacity to trust. You're shaping your ability to soothe yourself and rebuilding the relationship with your heart. When you soothe your inner child, you are healing the part of you that was punished, ignored, or misunderstood for having emotions that were too big for your little body. Every time you calm yourself without shame, you're breaking a cycle that should have never touched you. You're doing the work your caregivers couldn't. Before we close, love, I want you to observe what occurred within you. Did your inner child stir? Place your hand on your heart and whisper, I'm not going anywhere. You're safe with me. We can feel this together. This is how healing begins. This is how safety returns. This is how the child inside you finally exhales. If you want deeper support with nurturing, soothing, and providing calm to the little one within you, my one-on-one coaching sessions are open. You're welcome to walk this journey with gentle guidance if you feel called. Until then, know that you are seen and absolutely loved.